Today we are going to talk about cabbage and Radicchio. I even had to look it up to make sure that I was pronouncing it right so I could educate you correctly. When I was doing meal prep for my client, this is what I did for her lunch, and I wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a education on why I picked these flavors all to go together. So what she's going to do is she's going to have a couple slices right here. I just sliced them for her. She's going to grill those either in her air fryer or her toaster oven, or actually on the grill. That is going to break it down just a little bit and kind of cut a little bit of the bitter flavor. So I made a dressing, which is right here. I'm just going to shake it up for you. So these are all the herbs in there. It's just olive oil and coconut sugar and coconut vinegar and some basil and red pepper flakes and garlic and onion, a little bit of lemon juice. Excellent. Then I put in there some vegan cream cheese. This one's cheddar, and then the piece there in there you see is a plain white vegan cream cheese. And then she's got her cucumbers and a couple of olives, just in case she doesn't like the dressing that I provided for her, because she loves olives. So Radicchio is a very bitter flavor. You have about 150 bitter taste buds on your tongue, and so if you start your meal out with a bitter flavor, you're going to get a higher hydrochloric acid production, which is going to help with anybody who has low stomach acid, Hashimoto's, thyroid disease, Graves, sluggish adrenals. That's going to get those juices pumping so we can digest your food. Red cabbage is great. It's got about 85% of the vitamin C that you need during the day. We've got 42% of the vitamin K in the Radicchio. Another great property that it has is it fights parasites that are particularly found in the roundworm in swine, which we all know how much I love pork products, and so that is a great way to protect against some of the parasites that you might get from that animal or any of the products that they eat. It also contributes to strong, healthy bones because of that vitamin K. It's great for the heart. It's high antioxidants, and it prevents the growth of cancer cells. So what she's going to do is just grill all those flavors together. She can mix and match that. She can dip it how she wants, but she's going to have all of her heart-healthy fats in there, and that's going to be a super low-carb meal, so the glycemic response in her body is going to be low, and this is going to be an energy-producing meal, and that she will have lasting energy throughout the day. If you found this interesting or educational enough, go ahead and push the like and subscribe button down below for any more tips. If you want to learn how to do some healthy stuff in your life and in an easy way.